When it comes to sim racing immersion, it's the small details that make the biggest difference. And that's where the Moza Multi-Function Stalks come in. These stalks are built with authentic car-grade components, meaning every switch, dial, and button feels just like the real thing. With up to 28 programmable functions, you'll have complete control over everything from headlights and wipers to cruise control. One of my favorite features is the auto-canceling turn signals, just like in a real car. Once you complete the turn, the stalk resets itself, an extra detail that takes immersion to the next level. Installation is quick and flexible. They're compatible with every Moza base from the R3 all the way to the R21 and even select third-party bases. Thanks to the included bracket and extension rods, you can mount them standard or inverted, and the hidden screw design keeps your rig looking clean and professional. Whether you're chasing realism for competitive racing or just want your rig to feel like a true cockpit, the Moza Multi-Function Stalks deliver. It's one of those upgrades that makes you realize just how close sim racing is to the real thing.